modern colors. So let's peel off the stickers or tapes. Like that is your power cord. Well, this one seems to be a power cord. But I want to show you that what's inside the box, and let's see whatever is inside the box. So there is a CD. We have a color full, but it's up to here. And this one is very cold, and you can see left off the printer outside the cartridge. Yes, it is a cartridge that this will. Let's take out this one as well. We need to connect this inside the printer. So I will see you soon. Peel off one stickers. Open that up. Should be careful around this area. Nice. Last one. Okay, yes. Yes, let's put this inside this. Pull that. Yes, so there is a C. So this is a C. C should be gone on the C. Get the part B. B means black. Pull that sticker. Also pull that one. Now let's put inside the B. There is a point connection. We should put a cartridge like that, and it's ready to go. Now we just need to press. It's been locked, so this is good to go. Now let's set up the printer. Select English. Okay. Set language to English. Yes. Okay. Print head not installed correctly. Close the ink valve and install print head. So if you have this error, we need to press the blue dots inside this printer. Yeah, lock it. And it's taking a lot of time. Also, we haven't insert inks. We need to fill up some inks as well, since we have 0 ink on tank. So it's asking us, are their tanks filled with ink? So we need to press no and fill the ink tanks with ink and press on OK. So you can basically turn this off, or you can still fill the ink, but you can see that it's moving right along. So we need to turn this off. So cover is open. It's saying cover is open. Please wait. Good color. Let's go with black. So it's not spill proof. Alright, so this will now start going under. everything is feeling right now. So let's feel another colors. Until then,
Still pink.
it's not pink, it's magenta. So this one is also same. All right. Make sure to put in the right container. We should take out that pink cyan. Let's go. And yes, this time we have filled up the inks. So this will initialize the ink system about 5 minutes. So leave this about 5 minutes till then I post this video. Setup has been completed. Press on OK. Now this is trying to connect to the computer or smartphone. So press on OK, and there is a copy mode, and it's requiring A4 paper. We don't have A4 paper inside.